Good morning, welcome to the mat. So if you've never practiced with me before, my name's Jess and I do things a bit different. As you can see, I practice in my pajamas and I'm going to encourage you to do the same. So this is a way to fit a little bit of yoga into your morning before you even get dressed and just to feel really good in your body and set an intention for your day. So let's start by bringing one hand to heart center, one hand to the belly. And I just want you to start to become aware of your breath. So notice the length and the pace of your breath this morning. And as you start to bring awareness into the breath, this is a really lovely way just to check in with yourself. How's the nervous system doing this morning? Try and find an even inhale and exhale if you can. And we're going to use that to support our little practice this morning. So once you've established your breath, try to keep the breath flowing. Bring both hands now over heart center and set an intention for your day. How do you want to show up for yourself today? Breathe that in, fill up the heart space. And once you've set your intention, then drop the hands down by your sides, palms facing forward. Relax the shoulders down away from the ears and bring your awareness down into your feet. So make as much space as you can between the feet and your crown. So body's nice and long, and all of a sudden, just by pushing the shoulders down away from the ears, fingertips away from the shoulders, you can feel your body getting a little bit longer. And then we're going to start some gentle movement. So inhale, take a nice big stretch up. You can take the gaze up past the fingertips. Exhale to release. Keep the arms long. You can drop the chin to the chest. So we'll do 3 more movements like that. Inhale to rise, reach up, look up, exhale, release, drop the chin to the chest. So in your own time, don't worry about being in time with me. This is your practice, this is your moment. Enjoy moving your body. So the next time that we come up, on your exhale, we're going to come into a forward fold. So whatever that looks like for you, you can keep the gaze forward and the back flat. And maybe just come halfway and then drop the hands, relax the head. If you're coming all the way down, relax the head and the neck and drop yourself down so your crown is then pointing towards the ground. You might want to take a little sway or a rock. A nice option if your fingertips are near the ground, you can bend the knees, is to start to rock from heels to toes. But if your hands are nowhere near the ground, don't worry and take the pressure away. Maybe take hold of the elbows and just take a gentle sway. Meet yourself where you are. There's no rush, there's no expectation. When you're ready to rise, come all the way up. And then on your exhale, bring your hands down to your shoulders and just give your shoulders a really nice roll out here. When you're ready to inhale, open the arms out wide. On your exhale, hug yourself, wrap the arms all the way around the body so you're opening up through the shoulders. Inhale, pull the arms back, so you're opening the chest. Exhale, hug it in. We'll do 1 more on each side. So you're just taking top arm down the bottom now. So switch it over. Notice how far you can take the hands around the body on each side. Coming into the last one. So next time you open up wide, we're then going to draw the hands up over the head. Take hold of the wrist and bring yourself into a little side stretch. So your inhale brings you up through the center, get nice and tall. And you exhale over into that side stretch. Give yourself as much space as you can. Again, no expectation about where your body's going to land. You're just gently moving side to side. We'll do 1 more. So 2 on each side. And then release the arms down. Again, check in with your shoulders. They might need a little rotation. And that's the end of our practice today. So super short in our PJs, and we can come back and just close our practice with hands on the body. Let's take 1 big breath in together. Let it go. And we'll bring hands back to the heart. Close with your intention, again, reminding yourself how you wanted to show up today. Wishing you an amazing day ahead. Hopefully I'll see you again on the mat soon. And if you enjoyed this little class, come along and join us for Pyjama Yoga Club soon. Have a great day.